Well, it's almost like Christmas with all the parts that are coming in. So I got an airbox and battery box. I got the air tube to go up to the carb. I got the lid, and I got a brand new filter in the house. So I'm going to put this together, and I'm going to put this onto the airbox first before I attach the airbox, and get it up to the carburetor, get everything tightened for the air tube, and then it looks like I'm going to have to drill out a broken off bolt, but we'll go from there. It should be pretty easy. Well, what happens all too often when you buy things from Amazon, things don't fit quite the way they say they do. The part's not a direct fit. Now my problem is this piece of the carb here is bigger than the end of my tube. So I'm making an adapter, and I'm using a brand new CV boot. The nice thing about this is it steps up in size. So as soon as I figure out what size fits over that carb, then I will cut it off and I will put a clamp on it. So I've already done it to the boot side, and there you go. It's tight. All it has to be is airtight so that you're not sucking dust into your motor. So I'll figure this out and I'll show you when it's done. I think that I got that all sealed up. I slid this rubber, the fairway down on this tube, and it's tight on the carb. So I'm gonna hook up the airbox. Get it screwed in there. It'll focus. Get that tightened, and then I'll get this all bolted down. All right, so this is bolted down now. So I'm gonna go grab the air filter. All right, so this is all installed. Looks like I'm one short. I'm gonna have to go look in the packaging to see if maybe it got tangled up in the paper stuffing. But if not, I'll just put a bolt in. It's pretty tight anyway. That's it for today on this. I'm gonna go in and put the cover on the seat. I started that already, so I'll finish that up, and I guess tomorrow will be a new task. We'll put on the brake.